Okay, I am recording and will upload this so that you can see this video. I am doing the Chalk Couture Beautiful or Be Unique transfer and having some internet issues, so I'm doing a pre-recording right now so that I can post it later. I'm going to walk you through the steps. Some of this you won't be able to see because my camera can only shoot one angle right now, but I am going to make a little board for some positive message for pretty much everybody. All right, I fuzzed my transfer. I am going to put it on this little dollar board that I bought. See if I can line this up pretty straight. So that both that will work. I'm going to do the tiful, B-U, tiful. Put that down here. All right, make sure your transfer is down to the board pretty good. I like to just go through with my finger and press it. You can kind of see if it's sticking good. This one's been used multiple times because our transfers are all reusable. So this one it has seen a lot of wear. So, and this is still available as per December 26th, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. This is still available for you. It's $9.99 on my website. If you are not already in my group on my Facebook, you can ask me to add you to the group, Beth's Classy Chalking, or you can also find me on YouTube. All right, I think that's pretty good. All right, so I have pre-stirred my chalk paste. You want your chalk paste to be like yogurt consistency. If it's not, you can add a couple squirts of water to it. I've added some and stirred both my white and my teal so that I'm ready to go. All right, I am doing, let me get rid of my stir sticks here so I can stick my squeegees in here and get paste. All right, I'm going to do the big words in bright white. Now I do squeegee with a little bit of pressure on my squeegee. If you can see, it's kind of bending this rubber squeegee to get that paste to go into the little mini screen that allows the paste to go onto my chalkboard. Whatever your technique is, everybody's got their own. This is my technique, and now I'm just going to get rid of the excess chalk paste, put it back in my container. Don't want to waste it. So, okay, now let me get my fingers under the edge here to peel this back. This part is done. All right, now that this is chalked up, I can put it in a bowl or dish pan of cold water, and then you can get all the chalk paste off of it. I'm gonna do that. And then after you rinse all that chalk paste off, you can use a disinfectant wipe to get any of the chalk paste if you've missed any. And then that's as simple as that part. Then I stick mine on a cookie cooling sheet sticky side up so that it doesn't stick to the cooling rack. And then when it's completely dry and I see there's no visible water droplets still on it, I let it air dry, and then I stick it back on the sticky side of the transfer that it came with so that I can use it again later. I keep it in the same bag and everything that it came in when I ordered them. When I get a new transfer in the package, one of the first things I do is flip it over and write on the back of it, back or a B, because it's hard to tell the difference between this and this side, and sometimes we've had transfers stuck back on the wrong spot. This one actually has the directions on the back of it, but most of them come with it just plain on the back. So you can write that with a Sharpie, and then you'll be sure to always stick it back on this the same way that it came off. All right, that's my little tip there. All right, now we're gonna do done with bright white. Now I am gonna use this teal for the tiful part of Beautiful. All right, so I've already pre-stirred my teal, so I'm ready to go there. Get my excess off. Okay. I'm ready to get that piece off. I always like to pull on an edge, like a side or a top or a bottom edge instead of the corner, because if you pull at the corner, you're apt to stretch your vinyl transfer out of shape, and then it's going to be difficult to use it again and again because it's going to be like off kilter a little bit from being stretched. All right, now I'm going to do some touch-ups here. All right, just using a cotton swab here. I noticed above my E here that we got a little smudge going. And all right, let's dry a little bit here. You can use a regular hair dryer to dry your boards. You do not have to get a craft heat gun. Those have a lot of heat coming out of them. A hair dryer just works fine. Okay. All right, that is it. All right, so that's my board. Hopefully you can see. All right, now if I want to hang this board, it is a, like I said, it's a $1 board and very thin material. I want to show you how to do that with my crocodile. All right, if you do not have a crocodile, these are really handy. You can use them with all kinds of crafts. I have a hole puncher section in mine, and so I can put a hole in the board so that I can hang this. And I actually kind of have this one preset where I want to put the hole for this. There's one. See that put a hole right there, right there. And I'm going to do one on the other side here. Kind of try to line it up so they're kind of sort of even, if you're an even person. All right. All right, I did not have to have huge muscles to do that. So that is my pre-punched holes now. I am ready to hang this up. That's all there is to that. This is one of our tools for cleaning up little smudges or things from boards. I love it because it's winter time, people, I have hand lotion on, and let's just face it, I keep smudging my board. All right, so there we go. Be beautiful. Go forward in 2019 and be beautiful and be unique. All right. That's it. Have a good day, people. Bye-bye.